Cyberbullying is an epidemic in this country. The percentages of individuals who have experienced cyberbullying of some form in their lifetimes has doubled from 18% to 36% since 2007. This is a horrible statistic that needs to be stopped. Cyberbullying is any form of name-calling or other bullying that takes place online, whether on a phone, computer, tablet, gaming device, anything of the sort. Kids' Health speaks about the fact that picked-on kids can feel like they're getting blasted non-stop with no escape, as bullies no longer have to wait for the schoolyard to bully. Now, this is something that needs to be stopped by the teachers of tomorrow. It is our job to become informed about what cyberbullying looks like and what the best methods are to prevent cyberbullying.